You're watching EDS TV. Don't change lanes suddenly without signaling after you have been tailgating. The person who first hit the idiot did nothing wrong, solely the fault of the tailgater. In a just world, it would have been a single vehicle accident. It looks like the camera had what you call a micro nap. It's a good thing that the street was empty and that no accident occurred.
Oh my God!
The truck took it like a champ. Hopefully everyone is okay. It's kind of satisfying to see the offender get pooched. Some of these missed exit videos have everyone but the offender getting screwed.
Resurfaced in the internet site these past few weeks because of a confrontation at a hotel with another youth. We'll get into that later, but all that kerfuffle caused me to go over guys.
Nice evasive maneuvers. It amazes me how few people are successfully capable of them. I'm honestly convinced that Jeep dealerships make you prove that you have single-digit IQs before selling you one. Even if the car has their turn signal on at an intersection, it's still best to make sure that the car is actually slowing down to make the turn. Any viewers want to tell me where the stop sign she pointed to is? I've watched this clip about 20 times and couldn't find it. I took a screenshot and tried zooming it, but it got too pixelated to make anything out. Can anyone else try figuring out the plates of the hidden runner? All I can really say is, I'm shocked that the truck was able to make it accident-free. This is pretty straightforward. The red light runner caused this intersection crash. Those little no-name box trucks have the worst drivers. Most of them look very sketchy, and it's probably because you don't need a special license to drive them and anybody can rent one.
Has pointed to his win record under Erik ten Hag to back up why he should be playing more for Manchester United, and he said that he could leave the club if he isn't given the game time that he feels he deserves.
Please tell me someone got his plates. If I had to guess, he didn't like the speed limit that was posted. Just slowing down wouldn't be badass enough. I swear, these people are begging to get into an accident purely for internet points. The dude literally accelerated towards the danger. Is that an unmarked undercover Camry? That's absolutely savage. I think the flashing high beams did him in. I feel like if you're going to plug your podcast on your vehicle, the least you can do is drive properly.
Oh my god, dude.
To the second and third car, you are supposed to keep a safe traveling distance and pay attention to the road. The white car is driving like 2 miles per hour. It's honestly absurd because I've seen faster parades. After taking out the wires, he got out of his truck and physically tried to move the wires off the truck. Unless that road said no trucks, then it's honestly not his fault. How was he supposed to know a random road had low-hanging cables? It took that lady long enough to wave the cars over. She was like, "Y'all really gonna make me tell you to not do this?" Donuts? In this economy? That's honestly mind-blowing. And it didn't smash into the curb, so it's definitely not a Mustang. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.